Hi there, it's Carolyn here. Yet another week has gone by in quarantine. I hope everyone is well. To the topic of today's video is minimalism and your mindset. I did a video about minimalism and why you should become a minimalist months and months and months ago. And I'll put that over there. And it was quite popular. So I thought I would just expand on that as we all sit very quietly in our home. My name is Carolyn Shabaro. Welcome to my channel. My goal is to inspire you, to motivate you, to get you to look at things just a little bit differently. And Lord knows we're looking at things differently now than we were even 2 months ago. And that's the goal of why I'm doing this video. If you like it, please subscribe. I've got a target in my mind, and if you could help me, I would very much appreciate it. And of course, if you like the video, please give it the thumbs up. So my minimalist mindset has got a lot to do with what I can control and what I can't. And I suggest to you that you just at least take these ideas on board, because they will really lead to your simple life. And the first thing is, you really do not need as much stuff as you thought. And if you're really honest with yourself, you're probably saying, yes, Carolyn's right. You know, we don't need to be able to go out to the restaurants every day, aside from not being very healthy. We don't need to go out and shop. There is the internet, of course, but that's the topic of another conversation. But we really do not need as much stuff as we think. And that's being brought to light today with the situation that we are in. And really, folks, on a side note, we don't need as much toilet paper as you think you do need, right? That's true. Confess. It's you. I know it. So we really don't need as much as we thought we needed. Another point that I would like to highlight is staying in place is a good thing, and being quiet is a good thing, because it settles the mind. And that's what many of us are going through now, just a period of very quiet moments. Now, I get if you have a family, that might not be the case, but in general, being quiet is very, very good for your mind, because you can sort out really what is important and what is not important, and what is important in terms of material things, which nicely leads me into the third mindset step, the third my minimalism mindset step. And that is, it's very, very important who you surround yourself with and the people that are in your life. Now, many of you might be with people that you don't really want to be with, because we're all at stay at home. But when that ends, you might consider who you actually surround yourself with and how they lift you up, or the opposite. It's very, very important to having a simple life. We all can control what goes on in here. And this moment in our life is only temporary, as I believe, are only here for a temporary moment in time. So the one thing that we can control is our thoughts and how we approach this moment in time. And that is it for this week. I have a couple of weeks all planned out for you. And so I hope that you'll subscribe to this channel. Come back. You know, I love your comments. It's nice because as I sit here by myself with my crew, so to speak, I like having contact with the outside world. So any comments that you make, I appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up. And until next week, I wish everyone a good day. Stay safe and stay home. Toodles.